So hey everybody, and welcome to this video. In today's video we are going to take a look at SnapCam. So how do we include those cool filters, those video filters that we get with Snapchat into your OBS setup and overlay them onto your live feed for your streaming, for your video creation, or even your work Teams or Zoom meetings. So let's jump on over. So, the first thing that we're going to look at is the actual website that you can download Snap Camera from. It's on the snapcamera.snapchat.com webpage here. Really simple. All we've got to do is click on download. Once we click on download, we'll get presented with a simple licensing agreement that we need to agree to. Click on I've read, tap your email address in there, and just confirm that you're not a robot. You can download this for Mac or PC, so we're going to go ahead and download that for the PC, and you can see it's roughly about 100 meg file. It doesn't take long to download. Run through the installation. Once you've run through that installation, you will be presented with the SnapCam utility. Now, as you can see at the moment, I've not got any cameras configured, so the first thing that we're going to need to do is configure a camera. So let's go on over and do that. So the first thing that we're going to do then, when we get to the SnapCam utility, is click on settings up here in the corner, and you'll see we've got the ability to select our main camera, the camera that we want to use to apply the filters to. So in the drop-down list, I've got a few cameras hooked up to my computer here, so I'm going to select the USB 3 HD video capture device, which happens to be a USB capture card for HDMI, which my Canon mirrorless camera is connected to. We can select the camera resolution and frames per second. I'm going to leave it there on full HD, 30 frames per second. You can come in here, you can choose what microphone source, all that good stuff as well. I'm going to leave that as default for the time being. Now when we go back, we'll see that we're presented with the actual camera. So my Canon feed, obviously we've got my little USB camera filming this video that's down in the corner there. But really, that's it. I mean, we've installed SnapCam, and all we can do now is we can scroll through the whole list of different community filters. We've got community lenses, so we can do cool things like add fairy wings to myself. There we go. I've got some nice fairy wings. We can turn that off, and I can change myself to a cartoon style. And there we go. I'm now a cartoon, which is pretty cool. And so on and so forth. You can use this utility to search for different lenses. There's different categories down here, like funny. Let's have a little look in funny and see what we got. So I could change myself to an alien. There we go. There's me as an alien. And what else could we do? Oh, I don't know. Baby look. Not sure I like that one. Anyway, you get the idea. We've got access now to all the community lenses used with Snapchat to apply to our own camera feeds. Once we've done this, of course, the next step is to hook up our OBS scene, really, to kind of make use of this and use it within our live streaming or our recording exercises. So if we browse on over to our OBS setup, you'll see here I'm confronted with my demo OBS setup. I've created a new scene called Snapchat. The first thing that we're going to want to do is just add a new video capture device. And if we select on new video capture device, I'll call this SnapCam and click on OK. What I'm going to be presented by now is which device do I want to use. And you'll see that we've got this new device name called Snap Camera. So if I select that Snap Camera, you will see there is my feed. So this feed is my Canon mirrorless camera feeding through SnapCam, and it's the SnapCam that's actually presenting itself with a virtual camera. So now I can browse back over to the utility. So if I put them side by side with my OBS, you can see that I can apply these filters like I did before. So let's scroll down and see if I can be a pink daisy. And there we go. There's me as a pink daisy. It's as simple as that. I mean, as per my previous video, you're going to need to include your audio interface, your audio mix in here, which we can do quite quickly by adding my input capture. I've already got my existing Elgato Wave 3 mic in there, and you can see now I've got audio and video captured, and I've got a new scene created using my SnapCam. So there we have it. Hope you've enjoyed that. Have good fun. Turn yourself into a potato. Put some cool sunglasses on yourself or some silly hat. Have some fun. See what you can use this for in your live streams. Thanks for watching.